Hey y'all, welcome back to Living Gratefully. I am filming this on Black Friday. We did not go out to go Black Friday shopping. Let me know if you did. I love the online sales. So yeah, I don't think it's necessary to go out into the crowd, but we did go to Chick-fil-A and I had a sandwich and fries because I made it through yesterday, Thanksgiving Day, all day, doing good with my raw vegetables and my smoothie and my water. And I woke up in the middle of the night in a ton of pain. And I just said, forget it. I woke up this morning and, well, first of all, I didn't get much sleep last night because of how much pain I have around my ribs and through my chest. And so, yeah, I said, if it's not helping my pain, then I cannot do this anymore. It was extremely hard yesterday. As you can imagine, y'all might have more willpower than me. I did it, but I was miserable. And I pretended like, oh, I'm doing it, I'm going to make it the 4 weeks. I made it too. So I'm just being honest with y'all. Some of the problems that I had were I was so full, like I could not eat the whole amount that you're supposed to eat. That's one of the things that I was really struggling with. And then because of that, I wasn't pooping. So sorry to be graphic, but that's just the way it was. And it had been days and I was really struggling. That's why I went to buy that flax oil because supposedly that helps. But I was so full, like I couldn't eat a lot. And so I wasn't even really hungry. And I thought it was because after if you do any diet, your body, I don't know, it's like your stomach shrinks or whatever. And I thought maybe, my stomach shrank and I can't eat as much because now my body doesn't want to eat as much. But I don't know what it was, but it was rough. So I can't get as much down, which I think maybe I can't, since I'm not getting enough down, I can't get the nutrients. So then maybe that's why I'm not healing. And I just gave up. Now I do have more doctor's appointments. Y'all know that's coming. I don't want to talk about it too much, but I wanted to be honest with you. I only made it 2 weeks out of the 4 and I had some Chick-fil-A today. Now I went shopping with Jenny, I guess it was last weekend. And y'all probably saw that video. We went to Bath and Body Works. I don't know that I filmed in there. I don't think I did, but I did buy some stuff. So let me show you what this is. Then they didn't have a lot of stuff in the store. They were like, we don't have that. We're out. We don't have that one. I was like, asking questions and stuff. The people were wonderful and helpful. But then I ordered some stuff online and I did have to pay shipping, but I got a good deal and it was worth it because I couldn't find it in the store. So anyway, this was from the store and I got some hand soaps. You may have seen on Instagram, I had put a couple of these in my work bathrooms. So this one's Gingerbread Bakery and it smells so good. It has that foil right there. Let's see. I'm not wearing any makeup and I did not do my hair. Coconut angel cake. Yum. Smells so good for Christmas. These are great gifts. And when I got them online, I don't know what I paid in the store, but when I got them online, they were $2.95 each. So it's worth it. Let's see. Oh, Bright Christmas Morning. I think maybe new. I don't know. Y'all comment below and let me know if you think it's new or not. It smells really good. It has a little bit of a fruity smell, which I like. Those are my favorite. If anything's going on my body, I like it to be fruity. Anything that's hand soap, it doesn't really matter. These. I don't remember getting these. Okay, that's right. This is for the bathroom. So these are the Michaels lights that you put batteries in, and it's a little car with a tree on it that reminds us of Christmas Vacation. So I'm gonna put them in the bathroom after I put some batteries in there. Got some hand soap to keep in my purse. This one's Bright Christmas Morning. So that was just a cute little, you're out shopping, gotta get a little something for your purse, right? It smells so good. Let me know if y'all have seen that one. And then I'm pretty sure this is new. It's called, Jenny found this, of course, pistachio and toasted vanilla. And I got it in the candle, yum, and wallflower. And then that's it for the in-store purchases. But, oh wait, could you see that? Yeah. I actually picked up Jenny picked up the smaller candle, and I bought those smaller candles for like $10 before. I was like, yeah, give me that. I'll put it in my basket, my little scooter basket. But it wasn't $10. It was way more than that. It might have been like $16.95 or something. And then this big one was $14.95. So I got a deal. I got the big one. It's gonna smell so good. So that is that. And let me get the box and open that up. Okay, like I said, these were on sale for $2.95 and they had like a limit of 24 or something. I didn't get 24. I think I might have got 9. I can give them out as gifts, and I got the 'Tis the Season smell. So Scott's Aunt Cindy, the one who makes the delicious sweet potato casserole, which I brought home some to freeze, but now I can eat it actually. She introduced me to this smell because she had a candle burning in her bathroom and it smelled so good. So I decided to get a bunch of hand soaps of this year. Okay, and I also got 'Tis the Season in a wallflower. I may have picked up 2 of these. Let's see if they're in here. Yep. 'Tis the Season. That's a really good one for Christmas and homey smell. More hand soap. And then I wanted to get a few more of these because they really smell so good. So I can use them around the house or give them as gifts. I mean, at $2.95, why not? Basically, it's a big box of hand soaps. But I did get something new that I've never had before. And it didn't have the scent I wanted in the store, so that's actually what prompted me to order online. This little car smelly thing. Do you guys have one of these? So I've never had one before, so that's new to me, but they have lots of these in the store, so that's not where I had to order online, but the scent they didn't have. So I wanted 'Tis the Season for the car, so it'll be all Christmassy. So that is the Bath and Body haul. Quick and easy. Let me know if you guys went out shopping for Black Friday stuff, or if you just did online. Did you get anything good? Are you planning on doing, like Amazon is doing Black Friday until the 27th, so you have more time. Are you kind of not stressed about it because you can just get whatever you want online when the sales are on? Let me know. And also, if any other stores are having really good Black Friday sales, let me know. I might spend some time later on this afternoon or evening. It's 4:30 now. Looking around at the different sales and stuff, but I haven't done anything yet today. I've been kind of lazy and I've been enjoying eating regular food. And I drank my coffee this morning. It was really nice. Had a rough night last night, so I was thankful to, kind of make up for it today. I do still want to try to eat healthier than I was in the past. I do 100% completely believe that if you have any inflammation issues, any diseases caused by inflammation, I believe that diet works. I'm not saying that it doesn't. I love Dr. Goldner and I love what she does for other people. I just was really struggling. And since my pain is so intense and it wasn't being helped, I really not getting sleep from pain, not being able to enjoy food during the holidays. Maybe I just picked the wrong time to do it. And then, increasing my pain, and then not being able to poop, but mainly increasing my pain. Okay, it should at least stay the same or get better. But since it was getting worse, I just couldn't take it anymore. I gave up. I'm weak and I'm done. So I hope you guys have a good Black Friday weekend. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.